This is Accolade, engineered hardwood built for busy families. Accolade from Empire Today has beautiful hardwood styles, scratch resistance, and extreme durability. First, let's admire Accolade's ageless hardwood styles. With 3-inch wide oak planks, light, medium, and dark shades, it coordinates with existing decor seamlessly. Next, Accolade is designed to resist surface scratches and stains thanks to its aluminum oxide finish. This thin, nearly invisible layer helps keep your hardwood looking like it did on day one. Finally, if you're investing in hardwood, better make it one that stands up to nearly anything. Accolade is extremely durable. This engineered hardwood is designed for high traffic areas thanks to its American manufacturing and thick wear layer. You can't help but step back and admire the beauty of Accolade. Its ageless hardwood styles, scratch resistant, and extreme durability make it an excellent choice for virtually anywhere in the home. See Accolade in person when you schedule your free in-home estimate.
800-588-2300